Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing a critical issue impacting international students in the United Kingdom, the ongoing visa restrictions introduced by the previous Conservative government and the new Labour government's decision to maintain these policies. Before we begin with these trending updates, if you've not already, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for upcoming updates. Now pay close attention. As many of you are likely aware, the UK recently saw a change in political leadership, with the Labour Party taking power. One of the key issues they've had to grapple with is the country's approach to international students. In a recent interview, Education Secretary Bridget Phillipson made it clear that the new government does not plan to lift the visa restrictions put in place by its predecessors. These restrictive measures include the ban on visa dependence, which prohibits students pursuing master's degrees from bringing their families with them to the UK during their studies. This is a significant concern, as many international students, particularly those in executive-level programs, are mid-career professionals who would normally relocate with their spouses and children. Phillipson acknowledged the valuable contributions that international students make to the UK, stating, "International students who come to our country and study do make a tremendous contribution." However, the government's decision to maintain these visa rules suggests that they are not fully recognizing the broader implications of these policies. Recent data from the Home Office shows a 16% drop in study visa applications from January to July 2024 compared to the same period in 2023. Even more concerning is the 81% decrease in international student applications during this time. This trend has serious consequences for the UK's higher education sector, with a 2024 report by PDDBCE and Universities UK estimating that up to 80% of universities could fall into financial deficit due to a gradual or sudden drop in international student enrollment. Many of the UK's top institutions, including prestigious business schools, have voiced their concerns about the detrimental impact of these visa restrictions. A spokesperson from the London Business School, for example, stated that the ban on international students bringing their dependents risks driving prospective students away from the UK and undermining the competitiveness of UK educational institutions. The spokesperson further explained that many business school students are mid-career professionals, sponsored by their companies to study in the UK with the understanding that they will return home afterward. Being unable to relocate with their families reduces the appeal of the UK as it complicates students' family lives. To maintain the UK's position as a global leader in higher education, the spokesperson suggested that exemptions to the visa dependence rule should be considered, particularly for students attending highly accredited institutions or world-leading specialist providers. While the new Labour government has not indicated any plans to revoke or modify the visa restrictions, Education Secretary Phillipson did offer a glimmer of hope, stating that the government intends to reform the system overall. This suggests that there may be room for compromise and a more nuanced approach to addressing the needs of international students. As we move forward, it will be crucial for the UK government, higher education institutions, and international student advocates to work together to find solutions that balance the country's immigration policies with the need to maintain the UK's competitiveness in the global education market. Only then can we ensure that the UK remains an attractive destination for the world's brightest minds and continues to benefit from the invaluable contributions of international students. We encourage you to stay tuned for more updates on this important issue. Thank you for watching, and do make use of the comments section to voice your concerns. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on the latest developments in UK visas and immigration policies. Take care, and see you next time.